Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we're reviewing the 2026 KTM 300 EXC, a bike that stands at the top of KTM's Enduro lineup. Known for its explosive two-stroke power, lightweight handling, and modern technology, the 300 EXC is built for riders who demand serious off-road performance. Design and styling. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC carries KTM's signature sharp design with bold orange graphics, a rugged frame, and slim bodywork. The seat and tank are designed to be narrow, making it easy to move around during technical sections. Functional details like strong plastics, premium controls, and an ergonomic handlebar setup give the bike a durable yet refined feel. Every part of the design serves a purpose, ensuring the motorcycle can take on extreme terrains while looking race-ready. Engine and performance. At its core is a 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine featuring KTM's transfer port injection technology. This system delivers smooth fuel injection, consistent power, and reduced emissions, all without losing the thrilling punch of a traditional two-stroke. The bike produces strong low-end torque for climbing and navigating obstacles, while still pulling hard through the mid and top range. Paired with a lightweight 6-speed gearbox, it delivers versatility whether you're riding tight single-track or faster open trails. Ride and handling. The 300 EXC is built on a lightweight chromoly steel frame that strikes the perfect balance between strength and agility. WP Splore suspension at the front and rear ensures excellent bump absorption and adjustability to suit different riding styles. The bike's geometry makes it stable yet nimble, giving riders confidence in demanding conditions. Brembo brakes provide strong and reliable stopping power, while the Enduro-specific tires deliver traction across dirt, mud, and rocks. Features and technology. KTM has equipped the 300 EXC with practical features that enhance the riding experience. The TPI system eliminates the need for premixing fuel, simplifying maintenance. The digital display gives riders key information at a glance, and durable components like the skid plate, handguards, and reinforced subframe show KTM's focus on real-world durability. Small touches, such as high-quality switchgear and an electric starter, make a big difference when you're deep in the trails. Price in USA. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC is expected to come in around $11,000 to $11,500 in the USA. While it is a premium machine, it delivers a level of performance, technology, and durability that justifies the price for serious enduro enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 300 EXC is more than just a dirt bike, it's a purpose-built enduro machine. With its powerful two-stroke engine, advanced TPI system, and race-proven suspension, it delivers everything riders need to conquer the most challenging terrains. That wraps up today's review on Motor Insight. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 KTM 300 EXC, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.